Breastfeeding your newborn is a beautiful bonding experience, but finding the right position can make all the difference between a comfortable feed and a stressful one. Every mother and baby pair is unique, and the best breastfeeding position is the one that keeps both of you relaxed while allowing your baby to latch properly. One of the most common and beginner-friendly positions is the cradle hold. In this position, you hold your baby across your body with their head resting in the bend of your elbow, facing your breast. Your baby's body should be turned toward you, tummy to tummy. This position works well once breastfeeding is established, but it may require extra support in the early days to ensure a deep latch. Another excellent option for newborns is the cross-cradle hold. This position gives you more control over your baby's head and neck. Instead of supporting your baby with the arm on the same side as the nursing breast, you use the opposite arm. This allows you to guide your baby's mouth to the breast more easily, making it especially helpful for first-time mothers or babies who are still learning to latch. The football or clutch hold is also very popular, especially after a cesarean birth. In this position, your baby is tucked under your arm like a football, with their legs pointing behind you. Their head is supported by your hand and guided toward your breast. This position keeps pressure off your abdomen and is great for mothers with larger breasts or babies who need extra head support. Side lying is a wonderful breastfeeding position for nighttime feeds or when you need rest. You and your baby lie on your sides facing each other. This position allows you to relax while feeding and is particularly helpful during recovery after delivery. Just make sure your baby's nose is not blocked and their body is aligned properly. The laid-back or biological nurturing position is another comfortable choice. In this position, you recline slightly and place your baby on your chest. Gravity helps keep your baby in place, and many newborns naturally find the breast and latch on their own. This position is great for promoting a calm feeding experience and can be helpful if you have a strong let-down reflex. No matter which position you choose, always ensure your baby's mouth covers a large part of the areola, not just the nipple, and that their chin touches your breast. Watch for signs of comfort, such as steady sucking and swallowing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to try different positions until you find what works best for you and your baby. Breastfeeding is a learning journey, and with patience and support, it becomes easier and more enjoyable every day.